Alright, so it is Saturday, October 14th, 2023, and these are where this is where the units used to lay. The Tech 2000 was right here. I'm standing in its old spot right now, and this is where the Goodman used to be, and you can tell because of the dirt and whatnot. Yeah, it's where it used to stand, and then there's the old pipes and condensate drains. Before I show you their new locations, okay. We have the 96 Tech 2000 and 2012 Goodman. I don't think any of these have been running today because it's been in the 50s. Oh yeah, definitely not. And it's supposed to be colder tomorrow too. It's supposed to be like 52 tomorrow or something for the high. But y'all ready to see? There they are. It's the 93 Tech 2000. I made a video on it before. I think this was last Monday. But yeah. And here's the 2011 GSC13. And the disconnect boxes are lower, and the Goodman got a new disconnect box as well as the Carrier. Well, the Carrier had a new disconnect box over at the other location, but yeah. Quite sure these were ran too. I think these ran whenever they were installed too. I'm hoping they tested them. And here's a logo. Kind of hoping that, because they would have most likely replaced the Goodman's capacitor, which I'm quite sure they did, because I saw a Freon gauger. I'm not sure what you call it, but I saw one of those gauges over here on Wednesday night. I was gonna film them, but I decided not to. I figured today would be a perfect day to film them. And here's the train, XB13, 2010 4-ton train. It's got an Alliance scroll compressor. So they're not redoing this deck, I don't think. They're going to be redoing the deck on the other side of the building where these two units used to stand by. Yeah. I'm kind of hoping that unit got a new capacitor, because it's been needing one for the longest time, but still manages to keep the building nice and cool. But it doesn't work as well as the Tech 2000. Like, this thing is freaking powerful. But yeah, anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Over and out.